Today we're going to talk about on how to use the Zamlift Driver application. So when you log in, the first thing you see is your map and your location right there and the button ready to drive. This does not mean that you're online. If you want to go online, you have to click on ready to drive and then confirm. So now you are online. What you need to see if you are online is this red button saying stop accepting ride requests, which is going to take us offline. So on the next page here, we have earnings, which is where we receive. So for earnings, this is where we receive the money, the total money that we have made, the gross total, the net profit, the net total, the commission paid, the cashback. For the cashback wallet, it's when customers are using promo coupon. Maybe they have a coupon for 30 kwacha and then they order the ride for 50 kwacha. So that if they use the coupon, the 30 kwacha will come in here and the customer is only going to pay a 20 kwacha. When the coupon comes in here, you as a driver, you are able to withdraw this money directly into your preferred mobile money account using MTN or Airtel. So in your token here you have 11 kwacha and the total recharge was 20 kwacha. This is where you see your token recharge transaction and your recharge history right here. If you want to add more money, you can just go on recharge now, write the phone number there. In this case, we're going to use 775981838, and then you can enter the amount 50 kwacha because the token should always be above 20 kwacha. And then since this is an Airtel number right here, you can just click on recharge via Airtel and a recharge preview is going to be generated, which includes the tax and the transfer fee and the total amount that you would expect after completing this recharge. So after that, you proceed, you enter your mobile money pin code. When you click on proceed, a USSD is going to pop up on your phone where you enter your mobile money pin code to confirm the transaction, and that money is going to be deposited in your Zamlift Drivers account. And then from there, you can come back here and then we'll check out the trips here. So this is just a trip history of how many completed total trips that as a driver we have done. So we can have a look at these few trips. We did one from Marshlands to Manda Hill. We did one from here to Manda Hill, which was 84. When you see zero kwacha here, this actually means that the customer had more money in their wallet, in their coupon. They used the coupon, and then the ride that the customer ordered exceeded the amount of money in the wallet, so they were not supposed to pay anything, and this money went to the earnings here, which was 18 kwacha, and it was withdrawn right here. So this is the goodness of the Zamlift Drivers application. You can withdraw money paid through the Zamlift wallet by the customer. And then here, last but not least, we have our profile where we'll see our name, our rating, kind of car we drive, the number plate, and the name of the car. So we're going to do a test order where we're going to receive an order for 47 kwacha from Great East Road 2 to Intercity bus station, but this customer has a 2 kwacha in their Zamlift wallet, so they are going to pay only 45 kwacha, and the 2 kwacha is going to go in our cashback wallet. So as a driver, you are going to receive your ride request like this. So this is the pickup, this is the destination, the duration, and the distance. This is how much the customer is supposed to pay, and this is going to go to our wallet to accept this ride. So after accepting our ride, we have now two things. When we reach at the customer, this is the customer name right here, and this is the pickup, and this is Intercity bus station where the customer is going. So the first navigate button here is going to take us from where we are to where the customer is. So if we just to confirm, we can call the customer by clicking on the phone button right there. So we can call the customer there. That's the customer phone number. Or we can text the customer by clicking there, choosing WhatsApp or just direct messages from there. And then navigate button, this is going to take us to where the customer actually is. So when you click navigate, so this is where we are and where the customer is. That navigation is going to take us to where we are, to where the customer is. And then when we arrive at the customer, we click arrive. When we arrive at the customer, we click arrive. We hold our button here to arrive. And we have arrived at our customer. So here, when we arrive, we wait for our customer to get inside the car, and then we hold to start. We hold to start the trip. So right now you're with the customer, you're going to Intercity bus station. You only hold when you arrive at Intercity bus station. So as a driver, this is the amount you are supposed to collect from the customer. This is the trip amount 45, which the user has to pay. We just have to confirm the collection and the transaction is over. You only confirm when you get this money from your customer. So here you can rate your customer. You have to be honest, because for your safety and your comfortability as a driver, it's important that you rate your customer so that we can continue providing you with good service. So as you can see here, our ride is done. So when we go to our trips here, we had 2 complete trips earlier. Now we have 3 complete trips. We can even view the trips there. This is the trip that we are just from doing, that was ending at Intercity bus station. And if we come to our token here, we see we had 11 kwacha. Now we only have 8 kwacha. And now when we come to our earnings here, remember the customer was supposed to pay 45, they paid the 47. That 2 kwacha has come in our cashback wallet. So we can withdraw this amount by clicking on withdraw, entering our mobile number 0775981838, and then this is an Airtel number, so we'll just confirm the withdrawal there, and that money is going to be received in our Airtel number. As you can see, the status is complete, so the money has been deposited in our Airtel mobile money number. And for that reasons, now we have 8 kwacha floats. We can now top up more floats so that we can continue receiving rides, and we can come back here and continue waiting for more ride requests. And this concludes the tutorial for the Zamlift Driver application.